Hello there, welcome to our channel Tutorial Guru again. Hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to transfer Google Drive from one account to another account. And now without further ado, let's start right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Now to transfer the ownership or the Google Drive from one account to another, first open up a preferred browser. As I have already opened the Google Chrome, and in the search bar click over there and type in drive.google.com like this and hit on enter. And after that you'll be direct to the drive page of your Google account. But in order to be able to see this page, first you'll be required to log into your Google account. Because I have already logged into my Google account on this web browser, it's not asking me to log in again. Now to transfer your Google Drive from one account to another, first right click on any folder available on your drive, and after that you can see the share button available over here. Click on share, and after that you can see, first, in order to share your Google Drive with somebody, first you will be required to add somebody on your Google Drive as an editor. Let's go, and you can see the editor. Click on send, and after that the email will be sent to them again. Let's go to the share button again. Let's go to share profile, and after that you can see I had shared an invitation to access my drive to this account, which is the Matt Burnham, and it has currently got the editor of access. And to transfer the ownership, you'll be required to send an editor a request first, and after choosing your editor, click on the editor option available over here on the downside arrow like this, and you will find the transfer owner button available over here just below the editor option. Click on transfer ownership, and you can see you will be owner until this person accept the ownership, and click on send invitation, and invitation to this account will be sent, and if they accept it, they will be the owner of this Google Drive, or the Google Drive you're currently using will be transferred to them. And guys, this is how you transfer your Google Drive. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.